Let's go climb some rocks! Let's go climb some rocks!
This is the war zone after one of the guys in the camp went in with a candle in his tent and fell asleep, and
That is a bit of a dark one.
now he's now he's in hospital with 2 burnt feet. Luckily it's only just his feet. The charred remains of a...
Oh fuck.
Oh my god, that's crazy. I wouldn't like that. Yeah, poor guy. Zelda, how was your first lead climb?
Really scary, but I did it!
Woo!
I did it with gusto.
Lead
Felt
climb
good.
of the season?
Yeah, it felt good. I felt, serene.
Yeah? There it is. Done.
What's it called? What even
Done.
Woo!
Left of the bolt, just like how you can see the chalk mark. It's really good hold. It's really good hold.
Yeah. It's good.
I really want to go on the one. You're doing really good.
Yeah, you're off.
What's your name?
Oh yeah, they're doing the 16.